Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. So, my dear student, today I am going to start the remaining portion of the short story, The Suitor and Papa. As we know that there were a discussion between Pietro Petrovic Milkin and the father of the Nestor Kandaskin, the court counselor. There was a rumor between the friends and between the neighbor about the relationship between Pietro Petrovic Milkin and Nesta Kandaskin. And some of the friends of Pietro Petrovic Milkin asked him that when he is going to give the stake party, the bachelor party for his marriage. So for that, Pietro Petrovic Milkin was surprised because he thinks that there is nothing in between the Pietro Petrovic Milkin and the Nasta Kandaskin, as because he thinks himself that he has a good relation between the family of the Nasta Kandaskin and Pietro Petrovic Milkin, and Milkin takes Nesta Kandaskin as his good friend, nothing else. So, to stop the rumor between the friend about the relationship, marital relationship, about the love affair of the Pietro Petrovic Milkin and the Nesta Kandaskin, so he is in hurry to reach the office of the Nesta Kandaskin's father, uh, the court counselor Kandaskin, to sort out the matter and to stop the rumor. So there in the office of Kandaskin, the court counselor, Pietro Petrovic Milkin told Kandaskin father that he is going to leave the place. At the time, Nestor's father Kandaskin told him that told Milkin that he is avoiding the issue. He is avoiding to marry the Nestor Kandaskin. At the time, he also replied that he is not understanding anything about what Kandaskin is saying, because he thought that he did not encourage any hope about the marriage of his daughter with Milkin. So, my dear student, please open page number 32 of your text. When Milkin said to Kandaskin that he did not encourage any hopes about the marriage of Nesta Kandaskin and Pietro Petrovic Milkin. At the time, the court counselor Kandaskin replied, "Of course, you did not propose, but do you think it was not obvious which way your behavior was tending? You dined with us every day, you worked hand in hand evenings, and you did not mean anything by it. Only suitors dine every day, and had you not been one, would I have been entertaining you? Yes, sir. It is totally dishonest. I don't even want to hear anymore. Kindly propose otherwise. So Kandarskin said, of course, Milton Pietro Petrovic Milkin did not propose Nesta Kandarskin, but Kandarskin said to Milkin that, do you think it was not obvious which way your behavior was tending? Means, in which way Kandarskin, in which way Pietro Petrovic Milkin is behaving with the daughter of Kandarskin, it tends that Milkin is going to marry Nasta Kandarskin because Milkin takes dinner, Milkin took dinner every day at the house of Kandarskin, and he also worked hand in hand with Nesta Kandarskin for the whole evening. And he said, Kandaskin said, you do not mean anything by it. Everybody will think like that. Everybody will think that there is a relationship between Milkin and Nesta Kandarskin because Milkin is taking dinner supper every day at the house of the Kandarskin, and Milkin is walking hand in hand with Nesta Kandarskin. Did this behavior shows that there is a love affair, there is a relationship between Nesta Kandarskin and the Milkin. And Kandarskin said to Milkin that, what do you mean by this behavior? The people will say that only the suitor can do this type of behavior. Only the suitors dine every day, and in the same way, Milkin also doing this type of behavior with the family of the Nesta Kandarskin. And Kandarskin also replied to Milkin that, what do you mean that Kandarskin is entertaining, milking Pietro Petrovic Milkin without any meaning? Then Kandarskin said that it is totally dishonest. So Kandarskin don't want to hear anything more from Milkin. He just want to know that he just want Milkin to propose his daughter. Otherwise, the rumor will go all round. Then you see what Milkin said. Anastasia Kirillovna is very nice, a fine young lady. So Anastasia Kirillovna is the another name of Nesta Kandarskin. He said that she is very nice, a fine young lady, and Milkin respect her, and I couldn't wish for a better wife, but we don't share the same conviction and views. Then Milkin said that your daughter, Milkin said to court counselor Kandarskin that his daughter is very nice, a fine young lady, and Milkin also respect her, and Milkin also could not is a better wife than the Nasta Kandaskin, but he said that Milkin and Nasta Kandaskin don't share the same conviction and views. Then you see, Kandaskin replied, "Is that the reason?" So Kandaskin said to Milkin that only is this the reason that you don't share the same view and convictions? Is that the reason that you are evading the issue? You are going to abort the marriage with my daughter? Kandaskin smiled and said, "Is that all? So is that all that your feelings and views and conviction is not similar to Nesta Kandaskin? Only for this reason you are going to abort the issue, about the you are going to abort the marriage with my daughter. But my dears man, do you think you can find a wife whose views are like those of her husband?" And Kandaskin said that, "Yes, sir, my dear man, young man, do you think that, do you find that there are men and women whose views are same? The husband and wife's views and convictions may not be same." Kandaskin want to mean this sentence. Then again he replied, said, "Ah, youth, youth, those green and salad days." Comes up with some kind of theory by God. Enough to knock anybody all of a heap. You don't share the same views now, but you will live together a bit, and then all those rough edges will be rubbed off. You cannot drive over a new made road, but after it is been in use for a while, going the going is smoother. So Kandaskin said to Milky that he said himself, "Ah, this youth generation, those green and salad days comes with some kind of theory." So those green and salad days, the youth of the present generation, they're thinking just they're enjoying themselves, and the view that the conviction and views of husband and wife is not same, but they don't know that after marriage, after marriage, the views and convictions of the husband and wife will going to be compromised after some days after the marriage. So Pietro Petrovic Milkin also convinced by Kandaskin that these views and conviction may not be same, but after some days, if you marry Nesta Kandaskin, then after some days of your marriage, the views and convictions will be compromised with each other, and you will run a happy family life. And he also gave one example to the Pietro Petrovic Milkin that if you if somebody mad, if somebody make a route, then on the route the people cannot run smoothly. But after some days, using after some days of uses of the route, the running, the going will be smoother, will be good. So in the same way, the views and conviction of husband and wife may not be the same, but after having some days, some years of the marriage, the views and conviction will be compromised and the marital life will be happy and happy only. So in this way, Kandaskin is trying to convince Pietro Petrovic Milkin to marry his daughter Nastya Kandaskin. So this is all for today, my dear students. I will start the next paragraph in my next class. I hope all of you will understand the class, and I suggest you to read the text at home very attentively. For this, I am going to leave you. Bye bye. Stay at home. Stay safe. Have a good day. Take care.